going on, everybody? I'm just going to do a quick walk around view of my front lip. Had a few questions about it, what kind it is and such, and I just figured I'd give everybody a good overview of what it is. It's off eBay, the Bayson R VR style front lip. As far as fitment goes, you can see fits pretty well. Overall, no real issues. I honestly think it's the best budget lip that you can buy. It fits pretty well for what it is. Comes with about 12 screws, and this one actually had 2 poppet clips that came with it, right in the middle. Only recommendation would be the screws that they send you aren't very good quality. You could upgrade them easily to a set of stainless screws for not very much money. You can probably get them at Lowe's. I think I just had some laying around that I just used. But overall, I mean, for 125 bucks, I mean, it's polyurethane, so it gives you some flex. You see no real gaps anywhere. Like right here, I mean, nothing, fits pretty flush. You know, for 125 bucks, you can't beat it. I was going back and forth between this and the OEM lip. The OEM's made out of ABS, so more than likely it'll crack if you hit it. And this being polyurethane, it gives you some flex, so you don't have to worry about it as much. See, you got a little gap right there, but nothing too major. As far as installation goes, it's really easy to install. They said it's about 12 screws, 2 poppet clips. Best way to do it, from what I could gather, was jack the front end up, take the wheels off for extra clearance, just make sure you got a good set of jack stands. And then outside of that, it's pretty self-explanatory. It helps if you got 2 people, somebody holding it on each side. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Install time probably 20-30 minutes or so. But so I'll say I had a few questions about it. Just figure I'd do a quick walk around, let everybody see what it was. I know most people have the CS style, but I went with the VR. They said I think it fits the lines of the car better. But that's just my opinion. But feel free to leave me a comment below what your thoughts are, and if you like it, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.